I'm Christine Leishin, the CARES manager with the Upper Arlington Fire Division. CARES stands for Community Assistance, Referrals, and Education Services. It's the city's way to provide support for residents when they need it the most, and often that's after a 911 call.
We're so used to being on scene with these people in a 911 situation where it's an emergency, it could be life and death. There may be factors leading up to whatever took place, things that we don't have time to address while we're on scene. So now with the community paramedic program, we have a vehicle where we can address those things.
Well, I finally contacted CARES and we set up a date for Joe and James to come to the house. And as we looked around the house was not necessarily safe. So James put in the grab bars, 2 in the bathroom downstairs, 1 in the bathroom upstairs, and to have the grab bar there, I just feel a lot more confident. And the Knox box has given me a feeling of security. It has been a blessing to me, but I am very grateful that I do live in Upper Arlington, and there's so many wonderful advantages to living here.
So UA CARES actually started as a grassroots effort over 15 years ago. And at the time, we were just looking for ways to engage residents that did need a little extra support in the community and wanted to stay aging in place like residents often want to do.
We were at the beginning of this effort nationally for mobile integrated health services and the community paramedicine concept. And so our personnel took this concept, these needs, and we were able to leverage our personnel and their interests into serving the community and providing resources and connections for residents. Because of our longevity, because of the way that we have our program structured and our staffing, other agencies come to us because of those successes that our personnel, our staff, have been able to provide for the residents.
Over the last 15 years, we've grown to include our medical component and our police division to really help connect residents to the most appropriate resources.
We recognize that there are a lot of vulnerable individuals in the community, at-risk populations, and we wanted to make sure that we were providing the most realistic resources. And much of the time, what we were finding is that police and fire were often going to the same location or helping the same community members for whatever challenges that they faced at that time.
It's important for the fire department and the police department to work together in the CARES program. It helps us provide more resources to the residents here in Upper Arlington.
Is that instead of being reactive, we can often be proactive and provide support and resources. So any future calls may be less stressful for the community members and their families.
UA CARES is available to all residents of Upper Arlington. Most commonly, we get involved after a 911 call, but at any time, if you're a resident or you have a loved one, a neighbor that would like to know more information or would like to be preventative about ways to age in your home, you can always reach out to our CARES team.